We are a company that keeps the people that make the parts responsible for what they do.
Quality is a big deal. It's not something that we say, it's something that we do.
Everything gets double checked just to make sure that everything is in the tolerance that it needs to be.
We take pride in our work, the people on the floor, whether they're new or they've been a long time. We really strive to keep the quality up and take pride in what we do, pay attention to the attributes of the part to make sure they're correct.
I think overall, our quality is much better.
The appearance of the part goes a long ways. If it looks bad, they're generally going to think something's wrong with it. And if it's a good looking part, they're going to think we're doing high quality stuff.
Every purchase order we receive is basically, we make a commitment to deliver, conforming parts on time. And having 10 non-conformance ISO audits in a row means that we're doing an excellent job of doing that.
10 years in a row, 0 non-conformances. That's not a management group effort, that is a whole company effort.
The goal, make it better every time. And that's what we try to do.